Hi there. This is a prepping data tip. If we have used data sources that were published on a different server, it can sometimes happen that you have your testing environment on a server and a production environment on another server. And more often than not, data sources that were published to your dev server are not visible to your production server. And that's exactly what this tip is for. The first thing that I would do is I would sign in to my destination server or my production server, and I would add the data sources from my production server to the existing flow. And once that connection is established, I will then drag each of these an option to replace. And I would go ahead and I would replace each of these broken data sources from my server to the flow. The output is also complaining. So let's see what's going on here. I have created a project for myself where I'm putting all these destination sources. It's done. I will save. I will have a quick run. And there it is. Once it gets published, I can see my data source has been created on the server. Let me hit explore, go to the project. Both of my data sources are here, and my newly created output from the flow has been published to the server. Great. I mark it as done. I make this save. And now I want to publish this flow into the new production server. Let me choose the project and then publish. While this is publishing, the reason why I had to use a prep flow is because published data sources cannot be stitched together in Tableau as yet. Hope the explanation is helpful. See you next time.